I don't believe it. I don't believe there's a thunderstorm coming in at 5. Let's just let me just risk it. We'll see. Us versus the weather app. It's still pretty hot. I don't know. I might regret this. We only get that many weekends in the summer in New York. Not gonna lose it over a possibility. Also, I think I should probably get another beach cover up. This is the only one I have. Getting tired of looking at it. So excited. The past an hour and a half when I was sitting on the couch contemplating if I should go, if I should stay, just because of the weather app. I've already wasted an hour and a half. Note to self, to do this again next time. I'm too close to the edge. On the beach by myself. So what happens if I want to go to the bathroom? Do I have to pack everything up? Or do I trust the public with my belongings? So glad I listened to my gut, not the weather app. It's almost 6. Still see no rain. It's sunny out. At some point we predicted the thunderstorm at 4. It said 5. And then 6. Now it says mostly cloudy. Learning from this, next time I should just leave early. Now the weather's getting weird. Catch up with stuff so fast. Getting out of here. Getting catches me. Stuff, sunbathe, hate it. It's so creepy. Why so creepy? And that too, the same one. Mini golf course here. Cool. Coney Island is so great. Every time I come here, there's something new I discovered. Now it's time to get back, work on my videos, either edit the last one I recorded or replace new ones. But it's time. It's time to say goodbye. God of War. And then after that, we'll be continuing Village. Resident Evil Village. Clown. Coney Island will be back maybe tomorrow. Aduma. What is it about the beach that makes me so insanely hungry? Even though I didn't do any activity, I didn't even move much. It's coming. I can feel it. I made it.